Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will use the React app generator, which is a free service provided by AppSeed, to build a simple full stack application powered by Flask API as a backend engine. So for newcomers, the React app generator can be found on AppSeed and provides this simple wizard-based interface where the user can select the design and backend framework. On the next step, customize a little bit the project, and once the application settings are confirmed, we can generate the product and get the source code. Um, the service can be used without an account, and that's also important to say that the generated sources are released under the MIT license, which means anyone can use the generated products to for commercial projects or just simply for learning activities. The generator, after accepts the requests, provides the generated product in two flavors as a zip archive, which can be downloaded right away using this link, and also sources are uploaded to GitHub for later reference. And right now we are waiting for this upload. Um, Once the upload is completed, I will use the live deployer service, which is the latest component provided by the apps platform, and this service that is reserved for pro users is able to deploy live on render a deployment infrastructure any product provided by AppSeed, just by simply drag and drop here the link. So this service, this simple interface, works with React full stack applications, Node.js, Django, Flask, and all other products provided by AppSeed. Okay, let's go back here to the generated product. We need to wait um, just a few seconds in order to access the source code. Once we have the source code, I will drop here the link of the generated product in this box, and the product will be soon live using render platform. Okay, we can see that the product was generated product is okay. Let's access the source code. So we have here 2 minutes, 2 minutes. This is the product. We have here all the instructions for the manual build. So a summary of the features provided in the product, how to use it, how to set up the environment, how to manually build the product. Also, we have here a compatibility metrics for the React UI, which guarantees that on these versions of Node.js, the product will be successfully compiled using npm or ER. Okay, in case we want to deploy this product live, we need to go to the live deployer and just drag and drop with the mouse the URL, push the request into the AppSeed platform, and wait a little bit for the completion. If all good, the platform will return this deployment ID, which is a unique serial number that identifies the deployment, and also the URL of the future of the live URL of the product. Now, if we go back here to the render dashboard, we can see that the products are under compilation, the React UI and the API flat server. We can check out the progress using by accessing the compilation messages. Okay, so the Flask API is almost built. It's under deployment. Let's check out also the React UI, which usually takes a little bit longer than the API servers, 2 or 3 minutes. But in the end, the product should be up and running and usable in the browser. So using the same drag and drop procedure, we can deploy any other products provided by AppSeed. This one, for instance, which is the Django based. This one, which is Flask. This one, which is a full stack application. So the application knows how to detect the type of the product. The live deployer knows, introspects the source code, detects what type of application is, if it's a monorep or if it's a full stack application that uses React with Django in the backend, Flask in the backend, or Node.js. And once he detects successfully the structure of the product, the sources are pushed to render, and the product should be up and running in just a few minutes. Okay, in case anyone have issues, feel free to access the support page and use these coordinates to chat with us, send us an email, or simply join Discord for one-to-one support. The support is free for all our registered users, even that they are using free or premium starters, no matter. So we are willing to help the entire community to bootstrap their project. So it's not important that you purchase something before or not. We will assist. Okay, so we can see here that the compilation is successful also for the API backend and also for the React. And right now I will copy here the URL and go to the browser and open up the product. Let's create a new user. Okay, so the user was created. I will authenticate, and we can see that the application is up and running, and we can play with it. It's 100% usable. Let's go back here to the API server and just check out the runtime logs. We can see here that the requests were sent to the Flask backend, and we have here the registration post. So basically, I was using AppSeed to generate first the product, and once the sources were available on GitHub, I was just drag and drop with the mouse using the live deployer, the source code, and basically the platform without any other interactions from my side just pushes the product live, and other things are performed by the live deployer in the backend. The React UI it's configured to work with the Flask API. If we check out the names here, those names are dynamically generated by the AppSeed platform, and the live deployer knows how to interconnect the React with the Flask backend. So guys, thanks for watching. As I said before, in case of any issues, join the as the access the support page, create an account on AppSeed. It's free, and chat with us. Tell us what you think about the platform. Tell us what modules are missing from the current starters, and in all cases, we are glad to help. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye, guys.